Affiliate marketing ideas to drive top-line growth. Affiliate marketing is a tried and true way to make your website turn a profit. But good affiliate marketing is not a no-hassle money spigot. You need to put in plenty of effort to make it pay off. Your efforts will be more productive, though, the more you learn about the process. To find your audience before you even mention your product, create a series of videos. Record a short video of yourself talking about a different topic every week, or about the same topic under different angles. Post them on a popular video hosting website. Once you have enough followers, do a video about the product you are selling. Even though this is the internet, remember that the customer is always right. You do not want to lose customers because you are being too solid on your stance against someone you feel is incorrect. People talk, and that can result in a serious loss in profits for the business. Produce YouTube videos demonstrating some of your products in action. Seeing someone peel a potato in 20 seconds is much more impressive than just watching claims online. It also helps people to understand the proper use or installation of some products, and gives them confidence that they will perform as promised. If your video goes viral, you will get the bonus of a lot more traffic. High traffic to your website is what affiliate marketing companies look for. The more traffic you can get to visit your page, the more apt people are to click the link and buy the products that you are featuring. To gain more traffic, you have to expose your page to as many people as possible. If you want to maximize your profits through affiliate marketing with minimal effort, ideas like these can help you out. Just remember that no particular strategy or tactic is guaranteed to work, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Keep learning to stay on top of the best affiliate marketing strategies. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.